What up guys, your boy Six Sam coming at you from Six Reviews, and I know it's been a while since I've done a sneaker review, and that's not to say I don't like sneakers anymore, but we just had to do a little bit change of pace, and we're focusing on the clothing line, but I needed to share this sneaker with you because it is a sneaker that I've been wearing a lot during my time, my summertime, my springtime, I switched that, my springtime to my summertime, all the way to the fall time. It is a sneaker that I would say is a go-to sneaker that needs to be in a rotation, especially if you've graduated high school and if you're a little bit older like myself. I am a little bit older. You need one of these sneakers in your collection. You guys have been waiting for it. So in 3, 2, 1. Boom shakalaka. This is the Oliver Cowbell. And I think I'm hoping I'm saying that correctly, and if I'm not, apologies to the brand, but this is Oliver Cowbell, and this is their Ocean Low 1 sneaker. Now, right now, I do believe it is sold out on the website, so apologies by doing a review on a sneaker that you might not be able to get right away. This is a sneaker that I would say that you would want to wear during the spring, summer, and fall time, winter time if you're living in Canada or Toronto like myself. Probably not the best sneaker for you. However, this is a sneaker that gives you a sophisticated look, and I'm glad that I thought about the word sophisticated because now I seem a little sophisticated to you. But this is a sneaker that will give you a sophisticated look and that will really put together a lot of your outfits. And so at first glance, you will see it looks like a Stan Smith. When you're holding it and when you feel the quality of the sneaker, you are not holding a Stan Smith. You are holding a high quality, I would say luxury quality, but not luxury brand. It's a luxury quality, not at luxury prices, which is probably one of the best things you can probably get, right? Everything is European made, and I say European because I think it's like Italian calf here. You got some like Spanish touches here somewhere, or something Spain or something like that. But what I will say is, just because something's not made in Asia doesn't mean that it's great. Like, made in Asia has a lot of great products, and so don't hate on anything that's made in China. Don't hate on anything that's made in Korea. Like, everywhere in the world, like, people try to make shortcuts, so like don't get that reputation like there, like made in Asia is bad. However, made in Europe is good. And so I'm not trying to like go hate on both or not hate on anything. This is just a really well-made sneaker, way better than a Stan Smith. And it's way better than a Common Project. And so let me tell you why. I own a pair of Common Projects, the pink ones, and I've done a review on it before. And what I will say is the Common Projects were so tight on my foot here, and now I am flat-footed and I do have a little bit of a wider foot. It was so tight here that the Common Projects wouldn't like hold out, like the leather wouldn't loosen up, and anytime I wore those pink shoes, my feet would be killing me, and I eventually even had to return it. Thank goodness for that Nordstrom return policy. But I had to actually return it because it was just terrible and it was killing my feet. I took this sneaker to Las Vegas. And you might be asking me, Sam, you have so many hype sneakers. Why are you taking this Oliver Cowbell to Las Vegas? And now let me answer that question for you. Because this is a sneaker that is versatile and it gives you that, like I said, a sophisticated look and also a dressed down casual look too. You can wear this with no-show socks, ankle socks, high socks. You can wear it with the outfit I'm wearing right now. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear a t-shirt. You can wear it with even streetwear because nothing goes wrong with a white sneaker. Like, white sneakers is a staple in your collection. Now, they do have an all-white version. However, I do like the hints of the black, the like navy, I'll say not navy, it's black. The black hint on the heel tab and on the tongue right here. This was great for me in Vegas, and the good thing is if you ever been to Vegas, you are definitely doing some walking. You're not just sitting in your room all day. You're definitely walking, you're definitely going out, you're definitely dancing, and like, I can't say anything else because what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, even though nothing really that crazy happened. But I will say that this sneaker did hold it up. I do have a few scratches on the right sneaker, but that's only because again, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. And so I had a great time. It is a great quality leather. It is definitely affordable, and I would say that this is a staple in anyone that's graduated high school, and if you're in university, or if you're like, if you're in the working field, or if you're just like 30 or 40 or 50 or 60, this is a sneaker that you want to have in your collection because you can't be always wearing Flyknits, you can't be always wearing J's, you can't be always wearing like Boosts. You have to have something like this. Oliver Cowbell, dope. So anyways, that's my sneaker review of the Oliver Cowbell. I'll leave all their links in the description below. Sometimes you gotta give a fighting chance to those trying to make their stamp into the world, just kind of like Kyopo. This is a short plug, KYOPO with an underscore, because that's my brand. And Oliver Kaba, if you've ever watching this, if you want to do a collab together, like let's talk, you know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe, comment in the section below what's your go-to white sneaker. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys weren't distracted by the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air going on in the beside me. This is your boy 6Dan coming at you from 6 Reviews. I'll show my face. Hey.